aCMP. Sangfor's cloud management platform was introduced in aCloud version 5.8.6. It provides centralized multi-cluster management, multi-tenancy, and many other cloud features with unrivaled simplicity and incredible scalability. This demo walkthrough is divided into two parts. Part 1 will focus on the basic features and operations of aCMP 5.8.6, while Part 2 will highlight multi-tenancy and self-service portals. Let's see how it looks and how it works. Add AZs and clusters. Log in to the aCMP admin portal with the management IP ending with port 4430. The very first thing you need to do is add clusters so that aCMP can provide centralized management. Click Add New on the home page. Input the availability zone name and select the resource type. Here, we are adding an aCloud cluster. Click Add Cluster and fill out the required information, including name, cluster IP, and password. Then tag the storage. There are 3 types available: high performance, performance sensitive, and capacity sensitive. Let's tag this one as high performance. Click Next, and we now have a usable AZ with one aCloud cluster. If you go back to the home page, you can see the aCloud HK availability zone has been successfully added. The home page shows a bird's eye view of resources controlled by aCMP, with a resource overview on the left side of the big screen, showing the resource usage. In the middle are the AZs. You can find alarms on the top right and the bottom right for the top 5 VMs and physical hosts ranked by CPU and RAM usage. VM and topography. Click Get Started in Resources. You can see a step-by-step wizard explaining how to deploy and manage resources on aCMP. If you click Virtual Machine, you'll see it's a similar interface to the aCloud VM Management Console. Let's choose one VM and dive in. You can do all the operations, including snapshots and backups on this VM, just like on aCloud. Let's have a look at the topography. What you draw is what you get is still the star here. Simply drag and drop to create a network topography, meaning easy management with everything at your fingertips. Platform admin can see topographies created in different AZs and by different tenants. Admins can also upload images to the platform so that the end user can use this image for VM creation. Reliability Center and Disaster Recovery. Click Reliability Center and go to Holistic View. A holistic view of your data center reliability will be displayed right away. Green colored blocks mean they are turned on and running properly. Orange means alarm, and gray means it's turned off. This holistic view demonstrates the reliability status ranging from aCloud hardware components to platform to VMs. Click a specific block and go to Details, where you can see there's a real-time running status of this component and suggestions on how to best tackle alarms. You can also set up a standby aCMP to reside on another AZ to resume management in the event of a main aCMP failure. Next, let's go take a look at disaster recovery. Click disaster recovery, and a guide will pop up with a complete DR solution, which can be configured in several easy steps. First, add sites to the DR. You can manage the link between two sites in the solution. Click New Link to effortlessly configure the link settings as well as restrict the maximum bandwidth utilized by DR traffic. Go to Disaster Recovery Plan to create a DR plan within seconds to initiate disaster recovery and protect businesses running on aCloud immediately. Monitoring. If you click Monitoring on the monitoring interface, you can see the alarms and configure the alarm metrics based on your requirements. Return to the Overview and click New Monitoring Data Graph to select the VMs and physical hosts you'd like to monitor and pin the specific monitoring windows to the Overview homepage. Monitoring items are self-defined. In this way, I can always have my most important VMs running status right at the Overview homepage by clicking Monitoring. Upgrades from previous aCloud monitoring means that aCMP is able to store the historic trend diagram for up to 1 year. If you go to System, you'll have a license overview and technical support information. Please continue to Part 2 of our aCMP demo to learn about multi-tenancy and self-service portals. Thank you for watching.